Hello everybody. I am so excited to show you this wonderful John Deere tractor. It's a one owner. I just picked it up and it is just wonderful. It's got the weights on the front. It's got lights. It's got the original tires that came on the tractor new. 100% original paint. It's never had any paint work done to it. All the tires are original. They're all Firestone. That came on it new. Just a wonderful, wonderful tractor. The tractor has 385 hours on it. Oops. Excuse me, about to drop my camera. And the oil's got 1 hour on it since it was changed in June. And it looks just like brand new. It's just amazing. Just an amazing tractor. I can't believe it's in as good a shape as it is for the age. The state of Georgia owned this tractor. And they used it on some kind of little farm they had. It sat inside of a block building most of its life. So doesn't look like much has ever been hooked to it. I bush hogged with this tractor. All I've done is wash it. I washed it, used it. I put a fail mower on it, and it did a great job with that. And I put a scrape blade, and it did a good job with the scrape blade. I've got a pretty good amount of real estate, so I just use a bigger tractor. But it is pretty good. Now, I did stick my sticker on it. If you have any questions, give me a call, Tom Jones, 706-677-1402. And if you get this tractor, you'll be so happy. It is a diesel. We'll crank it up. It's got the red antifreeze in it. It's just like it should be. I did take this top here off, I guess to go under a limb or two. But let's crank it and you can just go ahead and fall in love. It was just service, and I had a new fan belt, didn't need it, but had one put on it. Motor sounds like it should. Did put a new battery in there. It's got a big heavy duty battery. It's maybe a month old. It's got the headlights on the front. Quick latch. The flashers. And it's got tail lights. One flasher was knocked off of it at some time. Right there is my number. And it looks like this under it. It's got a locking differential. So it can lock both back tires. The wheels are really nice. Just a wonderful, wonderful tractor. I just can't say enough good things about it. It's got the Yanmar diesel engine, but again, zero paint work. Put it in the gear here. I've got it in high side and first. First gear. Pretty good hill right here. Gravel hill up there in the mountains. Anyway, you can get my drift. You get this tractor, you'll be so happy. I'm going to open it up, but I'm blocked in here. You can see that hill's pretty steep right here, just covered with gravel. Anyway, they're so easy. This tractor just drives like new. It's got a couple little dents and dings and scratches. And it's a 1982 model, so that's got some age on it, and it's still a good tractor. I'm just really amazed. Paint's original, so I got all the decals on it. Got the dual brakes. Gas is good and clean, and nothing wrong with it. And that's it. If you get this truck, you'll be so happy. Or tractor. You'd be happy with that old dump truck over there too. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching.